Hi everyone, this is just a quick introduction to Module 3. In Module 3 we are continuing with the cause and effect essay, and so I'm just going to walk through the assignments with you and go over some things that you might, some tips for you that you might want to know about. So here we are at Module 3, finishing the cause and effect essay. Pretty simple unit. You have a quiz to take over the cause and effect chapter. So we're learning about cause and effect and taking that quiz. Now you did the pre-writing in the last module and you should get feedback on that pretty quickly so that you can see how you're doing with your cause and effect essay idea. The other thing that you're turning in as part of pre-writing is a formal outline. And a formal outline is one that uses Roman numerals and numbers so that you have it staggered down the page as main points and subpoints. I meant to put an example up here, and I guess I haven't posted it yet, so I'll be getting an example up here for you to look at as well, so you can kind of see how an essay would look using this type of outline. Once you have that submitted, I'll be able to provide you with feedback on your ideas, so it's a really good idea to get that outline done here pretty quickly so that you have plenty of time to work on the essay and get some feedback before you do that. Of course, the cause and effect essay is the last thing that you'll submit here in the module. Again, we are not doing any peer editing until later in the class, so we have an entire module devoted to peer editing. Some students really like having that feedback and some students don't, and so we're trying to balance that a little bit by having just the one module devoted to getting feedback from the Writing Center and from peers. So that will be later on in the semester, which means if you want feedback before you turn in an essay to be graded, you can use the Writing Center if you want to, the online writing lab, or you can email me and I can give you an idea of whether or not you're doing what you should be doing on that essay. So just let me know if you need feedback other than what I provide for you on the outline and the journal that you turned in the last module. So as always, if you have questions, feel free to email me. Some of you are watching these videos and some of you are not. Obviously, if you're watching this video right now, then I know that you are paying attention in the class and you're trying to get the most out of it, which means that I am going to give you another hidden extra credit opportunity. I have two sons, and one of them is 4 years old. He just turned 4, my toddler, and his favorite truck is a fire truck. So if you email me and tell me my son's favorite truck, I will add extra credit to your cause and effect essay after I grade it. That's all. A pretty quick short video and a pretty quick short module. Actually, it won't take you long except finishing writing that essay. Stay warm. Email me if you have questions, and I will see you in the next module.